All right, we are just awaiting the pre-opening rates. In fact, they're going to kick in any time now. Looks like it's going to be a good opening, but a lot of interesting numbers coming out through the course of the weekend and the week. So let's talk about that. Prakash Diwan is still with us. Prakash, anything you liked from the earnings that came in the last 1 week, either from the large caps or the mid cap space?
So I think, hello, can you hear me, Sonia?
Yes, I can. Go ahead.
Yeah. So I think the numbers from UltraTech are pretty interesting. What it tells you is that while margins have been a bit under stress, given that they've not been able to have any kind of a price hike in this period, but it tells you that the build-up in revenue is very encouraging. So my sense is that not only for UltraTech but a lot of the other cement plays, this will start getting very interesting. So that was almost like the poster boy of the cement sector. Reporting numbers that are fairly encouraging, and I would expect some sort of a re-rating to continue going forward. But apart from that, I think the more interesting numbers are going to be the auto numbers later this week that we'll look at. Except for IT, there's really been not much to really analyze. But I think cement is going to be interesting after, if UltraTech is any kind of an indication. And then the expansion that they've done in terms of new lines that they've set up, the 1,500 crores they've spent. And in spite of all of that, managed to reduce debt, which is what they've promised. So all of that kind of augurs well for the confidence that it gives you on the balance sheet repair.
Okay, all right. Prakash, on UltraTech, I'll be a little nervous for the remainder of the sector because of that realization miss. But as you said, UltraTech appears to be well placed, but that realization's not going up when demand is so strong. That's a little bit of a worry. Let's see whether or not the management clarifies on that. Always good hearing your thoughts, Prakash. Thanks so much for joining in. We'll touch base later today. Well, let's get our technical experts then. Sudarshan Sukhani joins us as well as Mitesh Thakkar. Good morning,